Hi Scorpios, welcome back. This is going to be your special reading for the next 24 hours. So, we will be picking few cards from this deck for your general energies, career situation, and relationship Scorpios. And today we'll be picking one card for your moon energy. This will be the card. I will leave it here. And one card for your oracle guidance. So, Scorpios, I request you to watch this reading till the end because at some point of this reading, you will get the clarity you are expecting. So, we will see what are these cards first. It's King of Wands in reverse, Five of Pentacles in reverse, and Three of Cups. Wow. So, in your situation, Scorpios, in your work or in your relationship, you are someone, a very friendly, caring, loving person, kind, compassionate, and you are someone who has firm beliefs for yourself and in your circumstances today, in your relationship. You try to do things the right way, working honestly, being really honest yourself, and you are someone who is very reliable person. So you have your rules and you follow that strictly. But this person you love, they may have a different idea about life. They are quite fun loving, free spirited, and they are not serious about their ideals or beliefs, and they do not have any maybe. But you love this person and you wish good things for this person, but they are not like you, they are different. And maybe you are talking to them, trying to change them or trying to mold them according to your wishes and plans. But this person, they may not like your advice, Scorpio. So it may be your energy or your person's energy. Maybe your person is telling you certain things, they want you to change or they want you to adapt some changes, but you are not ready for that, Scorpios. That may be the reason for some misunderstanding here. And they may see you as a very stubborn person, rigid, not really flexible, trying to be, impose your ideas on them. So they see you as someone good, but someone who is stubborn about their rules and their beliefs, not willing to adjust. And that may be the reason for some misunderstanding in this relationship. Though you are together, you have a level of understanding with this person, you love each other, but circumstances are not good. And maybe this person is wishing for some changes or hoping to change you, or you are hoping to change this person. But whatever it is happening today, guys, you feel that you need to go out of the way, trying to make this person understand. But with this card here, Scorpios, this is a very beautiful card. So, something you never expected is happening today, Scorpios. Maybe this person is coming to you. You never expected to see them here with you, maybe because they feel that they have a lot of complaints about you. They feel that you are not fun loving or you are quite stubborn, but they are coming back to you. They want you and they love you. Maybe they may not like your ways, your stubbornness, or your rigid rules or regulations, but they love you truly, and that is the reason they are coming back to you. It may be a surprise visit. Maybe you would have not heard from this person for quite some time now, but they are here to tell you how they feel, and they want you in their life. And whatever troubles you are seeing today in this relationship, Scorpios, all that is changing for you. Definitely. So, misunderstandings because of your behavior or their behavior, whatever it is, all that is resolving today. Circumstances are changing for you, Scorpio. So, something you never expected is happening today. So, that is the energy with these cards. Some kind of a completion is happening. You are so happy that they are here with you today, Scorpios. So, we will see what is your moon energy. Full moon. So, again, this card points out to a completion, a conclusion, something good. And it may be an emotional time for you, Scorpios. And maybe whatever you are expecting is reaching a goal or reaching its that full circle completion, and whether your wishes are coming true or not, this is a very positive card, guys. So you need not worry about that. Your wishes are definitely coming true. And you need to, if you need to forgive someone, you need to go for that. You need to go for forgiveness and heal in your circumstance and let all that past go. Whatever was not working for you, negative emotions, you must let all that go and move on with your life in a very positive way, Scorpio. So that is your moon energy today. So we will see what is the oracle guidance for y'all, Scorpios. Unfinished symphony. So with this card, it just means that in your relationship, sometimes we feel that moving on with our life is difficult if we do not have that closure. So we feel bound up in any connection. So today, you must make that call if that is needed, or talk to this person directly over a cup of coffee. Tell them how you truly feel and declare your feelings, sometimes even to yourself. That is going to help you today, Scorpios. That is going to give you a change in the way things are going, and you will clear all that negative emotions or the toxic feelings you have within yourself. So this is the time this person will come to you, just like we saw with the previous cards. Maybe whatever you think, you must reveal all that to them. That is going to help you a lot in this connection, guys, Scorpio. So that is the energy with these cards for y'all. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. Thank you, Scorpios. I will see you next time. Bye, guys.